Just want to do a quick tutorial on an assembly of your ShuckBuddy when you get it. When you open up the box, this piston is going to be attached, this airflow regulator will be attached, and all this airflow regulator does is adjust the rate of airflow. It does not adjust PSI. So you can use that whatever your personal preference is when you run it. And the actuator, that's when you want to process the corn, you press that button and it'll be ready to go. So the only steps you'll have to do is attach this deflector shield, which is attached with these two nuts and bolts right here. And you can also manipulate the end angle of this if you need to by bending it with a pair of pliers or something. It's manipulable. And to attach the clear tube, you want to make sure you use this center hole here. All the holes are pre-drilled, so you don't have to do any drilling. Just get a Phillips screwdriver and you can attach everything. This cap is for use when processing corn. Make sure that cap is in place when you're processing corn. I always keep my left hand on it when I actuate the thing. That way you can't hurt yourself. And the other thing you'll have to install is this corn cradle. Corn cradle comes with 2 wing nuts and 2 bolts. And it also supplied with these shims. If you need to raise it, you can raise the cradle depending on the size of your ears of corn with that. And your ShuckBuddy initially comes with the 1¼ die installed. We also have 1 3/8 and 1.5 Should adapt to any size ears you have. And we also have a few replacement gaskets. Sometimes due to the fact that this piston gets sticky from the corn, this front gasket can fail. And if it does, it's very simple just to throw that new gasket in. And the other thing you want to do, make sure you do, is and you can't do this with the air hose attached. The air hose cannot be attached when you manipulate this in. Make sure that your piston lines up directly inside the die. This one's perfect. Just make sure it doesn't hit the die. We don't need metal shavings in your corn. Once you've got all that done, just attach your air hose. I always like to do a quick test run. Once again, keep your left hand on top of the cap. Test it and make sure it works. Once you got everything completed, you're ready to process corn.